built and actually use our train as a train. It allowed them to reset it, go back to one, as we say, and do it really quickly, saving time and saving money. And it's been a part of our studio tour ever since. See that, hold on, inside your belongings. You have to see if that's a tremor or an earthquake. That's an earthquake. All right, just remain secure.